Fellow Toastmasters, it's not working. Fellow Toastmasters, General Evaluator and Alan in particular. Several years ago, your mother told you something. You are the best for me. Although I'm not your mother nor your father, just being your evaluator, I can say you are the best for me. You absolutely did a fantastic job of breaking the ice. I think so. Your speech was so hot and sizzling that you melted the ice completely. You came on stage, you set aside the podium, you started your speech that spoke volumes of your confidence. Now, as an icebreaker, I have to comment on the strengths which you possess. Now, let me tell you 3 strengths which I identified. As I've already told you, the confidence was absolutely brilliant. With that, you had a wonderful voice which could throw yourself to the end of the room. The second strength was the inspirational character of the content which you prepared in your icebreaker. It was really wonderful to see a person failing 6 times and then too doing so well in the advertising agency, moving on to your dad's business, although it's not yours, but even then. Okay, yeah. You took over your dad's business and you also gave a documentary film which has gone on to Berlin. So that gave a lot of inspiration to the audience that you can do whatever you want, you can become whatever you want. So doing your schooling in a bad way is not a very bad idea. Okay. The second thing which I liked about you was the humor. You sliced your entire speech with a lot of humor. You had wonderful jokes which were woven into the speech. I still can't forget your mother just meeting your maths teacher and saying, "You're the angel," and she never went to meet any other teacher. My mother wouldn't have done that. Okay. Besides that, I think so you also said when your teacher told you was a terror and you thought you were telling about all the other students and then you realized it. So it was laced with humor, you had inspiration, you had the confidence. Now what is the suggestion which I can give you? The only suggestion which I can give you, Alan, is because you have set such high standards, because you have raised the bar so much, everybody will expect a very good project 2, project 3, and that can unnerve a speaker, and we know speakers who have given excellent icebreakers and haven't come and spoken for the next 6 months. So I urge you to live up to your expectations, don't go for perfection, and I think so you will do an amazing job. I think so you're an asset to our club. Thank you so much.